Indian Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar rebuffed US President Joe Biden's assertion that xenophobia was hindering India's economic progress. Speaking at a roundtable discussion hosted by newspaper on Friday, Jaishankar emphasized that India's economy is robust and dismissed any suggestion of faltering. He highlighted India's long-standing tradition of openness as a society, refuting claims of xenophobia impacting its economic growth. That is why we have the CAA, which is to open up doors for people who are in trouble. I think we should be open to people who have the need to come to India, who have a claim to come to India. Jaishankar said, referring to a recent law that allows immigrants who have fled persecution from neighboring countries to become citizens. In response to the critics of the Citizenship Amendment Act, that is CAA, Jaishankar challenged the credibility of their assertions, particularly regarding purported concerns about Muslim citizens. He took aim at a portion of the Western media, accusing it of biased reporting driven by ideological agendas rather than impartial journalism. Addressing concerns about press freedom in India, Jaishankar dismissed unfavorable rankings as politically motivated attacks. He pointed to instances such as US college protests against the Gaza conflict to underscore the inconsistency in media coverage, emphasizing the importance of distinguishing between genuine reporting and politically influenced narratives. Early this week, Biden had said xenophobia in China, Japan, and India was holding back growth in the respective economies, as he argued migration has been good for the US economy. You know, one of the reasons why our economy is growing is because of you and many others. Why? Because we welcome immigrants. We look to the reason look. Think about it. Why is China stalling so badly economically? Why is Japan having trouble? Why is Russia? Why is India? Because they are xenophobic. They don't want migrants. Biden said at a fundraising event for his 2024 re-election campaign and marking the start of Asian American, Native Hawaiian, and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. Following the backlash, the White House clarified Biden's remarks, emphasizing his respect for allies and partners. Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre reiterated Biden's broader message about America's immigrant heritage, stressing the importance of immigration in strengthening the nation. While acknowledging the issue's sensitivity, Jean-Pierre reiterated Biden's belief that diversity strengthens the nation, emphasizing America's identity as a nation of immigrants. The International Monetary Fund recently projected a slowdown in growth for Asia's three largest economies in 2024 compared to the previous year. However, the IMF's forecast for the US economy is more optimistic, predicting a growth rate of 2.7%, slightly higher than the 2.5% recorded last year. This positive outlook is attributed by many economists in part to migrants who are contributing to the expansion of the country's labor force.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.